Are we ready? Alright, on this one.
Activate turrets!
Now that we all have stims, maybe we'll just kill everything quick.
It's gonna be middle left. Droid up.
Seeing one.
Engage defensive systems! Reinforcements deploy!
Fell.
Reinforcements deploy!
Okay, droids up.
Engage defensive systems!
Valanock, you got the next one? Apparently I will.
Yeah, I will. I was targeting the ads.
Engage
I got the next one.
defensive systems! Reinforcements deploy!
Okay.
Reinforcements
The
deploy!
ads killed me.
Activate
Droid
secondary
up.
systems! Engage
Man on top
defensive
of the door,
systems!
so AoE's can kill him.
I don't have mine, so I hope somebody else has it.
Engage defensive systems! Reinforcements deploy!
Fell.
About to soak this droid.
Reinforcements deploy!
This is like
Droids up.
preparation one.
Engage defensive systems!
One more to go, guys. Then we're through. Well, actually, it's this one.
And slice the turrets.
Got an assassin coming behind you.
Yeah, I CC'd one.
One's close.
I'm CCing it.
Engage defensive systems!
And the board, just go ahead and soak it. Soak this one, and I'll soak the other one.
Fell, yours.
Reinforcements deploy!
Oh, God.
Reinforcements deploy! You should not
To the
have
tunnel.
come! You will
Make
not
sure you get to
endanger the chosen one.
cave, and also slice the turrets so that it almost killed Sakos the last time he said we had to slice him.
Kill these two ads quick. I'll take the right one.
On my way.
Did you soak that last ad? I'll slice the left one.
I'll slice the right when they pop up.
I'll hit the right one.
Alright, never mind. You guys got it.
Oh, well, no, we can, all three of us. There's 4 cannons that come up, aren't there?
Activate
Watch out for the red circles.
Yeah, I just got one given to me.
Yeah, that was my fault. Sorry, man. I wasn't paying attention to the screen as I was your health.
You're okay. Yeah, I mean, I'm just messing with you. We got this.
Have we used inspiration yet?
Here, you dump it on me. Payback's a bitch.
I'd rather we just win. I'm just kind of scared.
The masters have decreed. This ends here.
This guy's enraged timer is like an hour long, so this is not going to be bad.
Well, we beat the turret in rage, which is very good progress.
Activate turrets.
I got back right.
Can't CC it? What?
I got forward right.
Doesn't
I
matter.
guess I can.
They're
Let's burn
immune.
the guy.
Then I guess we need to kill him.
We will eventually. Just make sure we kill the boss.
He's going down any second. 30k to go.
Alright, kill the
Right,
guy.
turrets.
Nice job.